Oh, Mr. Allen.
Hi, I'm Mr. Packard, your new teacher.
No! What did you do to Mr. Allen? Ah!
It's not what I did. Mr. Allen left. He left all of you.
No, there's no way he would have left. You must have done something to him.
You can believe what you want, but he quit. I did nothing to him.
All right, everyone, huddle up. So, do we actually believe this guy?
No way, bro. Mr. Allen wouldn't just quit.
Okay, so what's our next move?
Yeah, we have to find him. Natalie, what's the plan?
Okay, we need missing posters, and we need to start asking around.
Okay, guys, I need you to check out this video.
All right, hey class, listen, it's Mr. Allen here, and it was my decision to leave. And it was a very difficult decision. I felt really bad about it. But listen, you can trust Mr. Packard. He's a very trustworthy guy, and I think that you'll really enjoy learning under his tutelage. So again, I apologize. It was a tough decision for me to leave, but you can trust Mr. Packard.
We're sorry, Mr. Packard.
We're sorry,
Mr. Packard.
It's all right, guys. Bring it in, bring it in.
Oh my gosh, Allen's in the closet. Packard tied him up. Everybody run!
Great prank, man!
They totally bought it. Thanks for helping us out, man.
My pleasure. Really gonna miss this.
Whatever happened to predictability? The milkman, the paper boy, the evening TV. You miss your old familiar friends, but waiting just around the bend. Everywhere you look, everywhere there's a heart, a hand to hold on to. Everywhere you look, everywhere there's the looks of somebody who needs you. You're lost out there and you're all alone. Life is waiting to carry you home. Everywhere you look, everywhere you look.
You guys aren't listening to me, and I'm really gonna need you to listen because the broadcast is coming up, and we really need to get this done. So what's going on this week, guys?
Math tutoring is each Monday and through Thursday from 3:10 to 4:10, and you can pick up your things in the guidance office or in the main office, the schedule.
All right, that'll be a nice addition to the broadcast.
What? Yeah.
All right, Natalie, what else? Come on.
Okay, who's got something else?
There's a meeting going on right now in Mr. Kinney's room for any students who are auditioning for Susical.
What's a Susical?
I don't know, but you're welcome to go to the meeting and find out.
What else we got?
Anything else? We really need one more thing, guys. Come on.
Oh, art club meets tomorrow after school.
Art club?
Yeah, art club.
I'm excited for art club.
Look at this.
Oh, wow.
Is that Octavio?
Come on, man.
You know,
All right, chill. Where's Noah? Where's Noah?
Talk and do his thing.
No laughing.
All right. You can buy a tablet for $50 right now. Order forms can be picked up in any English room or any office. The price will go up eventually, though.
Anyone with half a brain would have bought a tablet by now.
I didn't buy a Tatler.
Sal.
It's okay.
You got your nose voice crack?
No, I hope not. Stop playing.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's the Anthony Rodriguez Show!
I'm here.
Yeah! Yeah! All right, guys, come over here, Mr. Look here. Take a seat, bro. Take a seat.
Is there anything else dangerous?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay, all right.
All right.
You jerk.
Let's see. Sorry about that, Mr. Look here.
There we go. Put that right there.
All right. Hello, everyone. Today we have Mr. Looker. Yeah. There you go. You got your new chair right there.
Yeah.
Can get this mic on you, man.
There you go.
Right.
Thanks.
You can sit in the new chair.
Oh, okay. I got it.
It's improved. Here,
I got it.
All right, guys. For those of you who don't know, Mr. Looker over here is a history teacher. What specifically do you teach?
ACP U.S. history and world history.
Okay. Okay. Well, that sounds really interesting. Well, I heard you have 3 kids, right?
I do.
I have a picture of all 3 of them right here, and I would like you to put them from best to worst, if you can.
Which side? Best on the left, best on the right?
Best being on the right, and worst being on the left.
Best being on the right.
Yes.
Okay, I got it.
There we go, sir.
Best on this right then?
Yes.
Okay, so let's get rid of that.
Oh, you have me on the front, okay.
Right there.
Oh.
Do this one here, and that one, and there we go.
Wait a minute. Okay, so it was best left, right? Left was the best?
I thought you said right.
I believe left was the
Left was the best, yeah.
Okay, we'll go with that.
Okay, yeah. See here? You guys see? Let me see.
There you go.
This is best son right here. And apparently these are his worst.
It's a tie.
It's not a tie. Yeah, tied for worst.
Okay, there we go.
Okay, guys.
Read that.
Huh. Wow.
Got something new for me? Oh, just pour it out.
You want a goldfish?
No.
No?
Yeah, sure.
A little stale. It's okay though.
There you go. Thanks.
And heard Octavio here has a song he's gonna sing to us. Can you tell us that song?
You are so beautiful to me.
All right. You know what? Get off my stage.
Hop on pop. We like to hop. We like to hop on pop. Stop. We must not hop on pop.
Next.
1 fish, 2 fish, red fish, blue fish.
I don't know what I'm supposed to say here. What are you doing?
I'm sweeping.
Get off the stage.
Join anime club. After school.
Gohan, listen very carefully.
In E138.
We are getting more involved in the state Student Council Association. Our own Caleb Schulte is president for the entire state of student councils, which is pretty cool. And so we are going to be attending some of the workshops and leadership events that they're putting on as well. And we just encourage everybody to come out and get involved in student council. We're really working to develop leadership within our students and just to make our school community a better place.
Welcome back to Bang on the Street. This is your host Gary Eric. Today we're going to be talking about some random stuff with random people in the hallway, probably doing some challenges, probably doing some vines. I don't know what's going to happen. Let's go. I'm hyped up on coffee. Just guys, people finish vines. We hit a new low. Road work ahead.
Nice.
Road work ahead.
Sure hope it does.
Bring the beat in.
No. Come on, man. No.
Bring the beat in. Bring the beat in. Bring the beat in.
Huh?
Bring the beat in.
No.
You almost made me drop my pants. You almost made me drop my phone. Am I right? Croissant?
She got it.
What was it? Croissant. Bring the beat in.
Hard. I like it hard.
I have the power of God and it is Wednesday, my dudes.
It's not. I get what you're going for. It's the frog, right?
Sure. Let's go. Yeah. No one like me.
I don't think anyone does.
Hugo.
Hey.
I'm in my mom's car.
And that's why you gotta have a jar.
Excuse me, kind sir. Do you know the 9th President of the United States?
The 9th?
Yeah. You got 5 seconds.
I sadly do not. Andrew Jackson. That's like the nope.
Excuse me, sir. You have 5 seconds to answer this question. What is the 9th President of the United States? Go.
George Washington?
No. Do you know the 9th President of the United States? If you win, you get this. You have 5 seconds to answer. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. What is the 9th President of the United States?
Oh my gosh, the 9th.
You have 5 seconds.
The 9th President.
3, 4, 5.
Adams.
I'm sorry. Nope. This has been Barry on the Street. I'm your host, Garrett Urick. Back to you. Whatever segment is next.
If you like pie, that's nice. I like cherry, or do I?
Bad boys, what you gonna do? Or what you gonna do when they come for you?
Alright guys, you see the scum of the earth are coming out to play. Right now, we're gonna have to clean these streets. Now, let's do this. Hot cop.
Hey, sir, where's your hot pass? Where's your hot pass? Hey, don't even. Where's your hot pass? Where's your hot pass? You know, next time you gotta pay a fine. Alright, sir, what is your name? Shido. Shido? Alright, Shido is late to class. Get to class, kid. I'm an exchange student.
He's got a pass? You got a pass?
You got a hall pass, man?
You got a hall pass? Where's your hall pass? Hey, come over here. Step to the side. Come over here, sir. Come over here. Alright, guys. We just stopped this guy for not having a pass in the halls. We're going to go engage the teacher that did not authorize the hall pass. Alright, guys. Let's go in here. This guy did not have a hall pass. We're going to have to give it up to his teacher now. Hey, sir, why did you not give him a hall pass? That's your ticket. Next time, give him a hall pass.
$5,000?
You should have wrote the hall pass. All right, guys. Okay, next time, don't be slacking. Hawk hop.
I'm sorry.
Ooh. Step to the side of the hall. All right, it's a hawk hop. Where's your hall pass? Where's your hall pass? You think you would? Hey.
Yeah, with the mic.
Hey, what's that? What's that? He's got test answers. Hey, lock him up. Lock him up. Pull him up. All right. Wait, oh, now you're cheating? Come on, bro. You're cheating. Hey, bro.
Come on, cheat.
What happened, Octavio? You know what? Get out of here. Get out of here. Get out of my way. Take this hall pass and pay that fine. Let me get your big brother on you, bro. Get out of here.
I don't want to, kid.
This kid, he is being aggressive. Can I use the breast of force? All right, guys. He just grabbed my teeth. All right, guys. We found another slacker. Let's go get him.
Yeah, she doesn't have a hall pass.
Go. All right, guys. You see someone slacking? Oh my God. Go. No. You get back. Get back. Where's your hall pass? Where's your hall pass? No, she does not have a hall pass. She is late to class.
You're late.
I don't know who that is. Man, it's been a hard time getting up these halls, like just the scum of this place. But someday, I'm sure I'll clean this town up, one hall pass at a time.
The juice is temporary, but the sauce is forever.
Thanks for watching this week's episode, and be sure to watch the next week's episode.
Don't forget to follow us on Twitter, like us on Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Right here.
Finally got our first band broadcast.